Hello everyone. So as a reminder, I completed my practicum in the AAEC, or the Academic Advising and Exploration Center, which is located in the Roseman Center on campus. So as a recap, so far I've already talked about some of our policies and procedures, our advising process, Planet Purple, and Jumpstart. So the next step in the process is pre-advise. So that's a little 15-minute appointment for students to come meet with their advisor. And it's basically for them to learn who their advisor is. So we typically ask them about their goals, both academic and non-academic, and what they plan to do in the future. So the reason we ask this question is to assess whether they've actually chosen the right major yet or not, because sometimes they may not know necessarily what major goes with which career aspirations. Another thing we do in pre-advise is review all of the resources on campus, such as the tutoring center, undergraduate research, Center for Global Ed, and career and leadership development. We also ask how they're adjusting to campus and ask them how they like dorm life, and if they're getting along with their roommate or not. So a small story is that I had one poor student in my office who almost broke down crying because of the hard time he was having adjusting to college life. So I tried to assure him that everyone was in the same boat and that he should try to stick it out for the semester, and to get involved in youth counseling services on campus and to see how he felt at the end of the semester. So next came progress reports, and this is a meeting for students who may have indicated on their MapWorks survey that they were struggling either with schoolwork or to get a sense of belonging on campus. So advisors are able to get students' grades midway through the semester, if indicating that we need them to meet with their students for progress reports. So we do get them from the instructors. We then meet with those students and go over their grades and to kind of get a feel for how the semester is going so far. In addition to this, we hosted a workshop for these students in order to discuss study skills and motivation for the semester. Next comes the advise session in the advising model, and for this, students meet with us for 30 minutes, and we begin to pick out classes for the following semester. So we discuss important academic requirements in that session, and we explain the next advising process they will kind of move on to after they leave the AAEC. So overall, I had a very meaningful experience in the AAEC, and it opened the door to quite a few other job opportunities for me. And I think this kind of experience was invaluable as we learn to become scholar practitioners. Bye, everyone.